It's autumn time of year, and the leaves are falling from the tree onto the rocks. And they're not all that easy to get off rocks. So you can use a conventional rake, but you're going to be raking up a lot of the rocks too. Another way to handle this is to use, just a broom. And a broom is okay because you can grab the leaves from the skim the leaves off the rocks. I bought this Craftsman electric variable speed blower and vacuum a number of years ago, and this is what we're going to use. So basically, here's the whole body of it right there, and this part here is the leaf blower attachment. You put that on like that, and now you go blow a wide range of leaves. Okay, now we got this nice little pile of leaves piled up here in the corner. And for this, I will use, the broom and the rake. Yeah, just skimming off the rocks. We're not picking up any rocks. We're just skimming. Okay, so we got about as much as we can with our broom and a rake. So now we're going to convert the leaf blower into a vacuum. And this is how it's set up in the vacuum mode. So I'm very happy with the job the leaf blower and the vacuum are doing. It's still autumn, so more leaves are going to fall. But if you stay on top of things, you can keep your rock backyard looking pretty nice.